In this video, I will show you how you can turn off Talkback on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you have enabled Talkback on your Samsung phone and if you want to turn it off, then to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Now, if you cannot find the Settings app on the home screen of your Samsung phone, then in that case, just swipe to the right or to the left side using two fingers. Or you can just swipe up using two fingers and you will be able to open the app drawer. Now after you find the Settings app on your Samsung phone, now just tap on it to select it, then double tap to enter. Now in the settings, just swipe up using two fingers on the screen. And under settings, just tap on accessibility, then double tap to enter. Under the accessibility settings, just tap on Talkback, then double tap to enter. Now to turn off Talkback, just tap on the Talkback toggle to select it, then double tap to turn it off. Now just select turn off, then double tap on turn off. And after you do that, you will turn off Talkback on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.